Hello, brothers and sisters. Ngayon magluluto tayo ng flourless cheesecake. These are the ingredients. As you can see, we have the sugar, butter, cream cheese, all-purpose cream, egg, the Oreo, and we can also use vanilla there. And that cheesecake is so delicious. It's really melting in your mouth. Hello everyone! Ngayon magluluto tayo ng aking paboritong flourless cheesecake. Now, ang ginawa ko pong base dyan ay yung Oreo cookies. Binento natin yan para mapino. Ayan. Kita nyo po, sinalin po natin yan sa isang lalagyan. And then, hinaluan po natin ng konting graham crackers na grounded. Yan. Parang 1/3 po. 1/3 and 1/3 po nung Oreo. Then, we're gonna mix that very well para ma-balance. And then, ayan ang ating butter. Yan. Tutunawin po natin yan para ihahalo po natin yan sa ating Oreo cookies and graham na grounded. Yan po ang gagawin natin pinaka-base ng cheesecake. Yan. Ito na po yung pinipare nating pan. It's about 8 or 12 in diameter and 4 inches thick. Yan. Lalagay po natin yan sa ref para tumigas. Tapos gagawin na po natin yung filling or yung cheesecake filling. So, I have 6 egg there. Iwalay natin yung sa pula. So, we're going to use the egg yolk lang po. Yan. By the way, kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe and share so that I can make more videos like this. Ayan. So, ayun po. Meron din kung lemon juice na hinaluan ko na ng vanilla. Ayan. About 1 whole of lemon. Pinus ko siya and then I put a tablespoon of vanilla. Then, ayan na po yung ating cream cheese. It's about 2 bars of cream cheese. And mimixer po natin yan first. You can see. Hanggang sa maging parang creamy na siya. Yan. Good, we have the mixer. I just bought from Australia. And pag creamy na yung cheesecake, yung cream cheese, lalagyan natin yung white sugar or you can use also the powdered sugar. And then, we're gonna add the vanilla and the lemon juice. And mix them natin medium speed. And then we're going to add the all-purpose cream. I'm using 3 cartons of that all-purpose cream. And if you remember, 6 pieces of egg yolk, 2 bars of cream cheese, and 6 pieces of egg yolk. Yan. And the sugar, it's about 250 grams. Ayan, ilagay natin sa pan. Lulutuin po natin yan ng about 1 hour for about 200 degree Fahrenheit. Then, overnight po yan ilalagay natin sa freezer for about 9 hours. And then, that's the result. Kaya napakasarap po. It's really different about the other cheesecake. This is a flourless cheesecake. Napaka-smooth po niya. It's really melted in your mouth kapag kinain niyo po. It's good for holidays. It's good po for pang regalo. Magugustuhan po yan ng riregaluhan nyo just in case gumawa kayo. Yan. Kaya na po ang ating cheesecake. Titikman po yan mamaya. Try nyo po at home. Thank you so much and bye!